Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change service due or oil service indicator on a Volkswagen Arteon. So you want to start by turning the key on. Alright, with the key on, you're going to scroll through these functions here. Start there. So start by pressing OK to clear all your messages, and then you can scroll through on the top until you get to driving data right there. Okay, then once you're on driving data, you're going to scroll down using these down buttons until you get to range. Select OK. Okay, now that you're on range, long press OK. About 5-ish seconds. Then release, and then you get your service menu here. You're going to scroll down to reset oil change service, press OK, OK again. Okay, that's the oil change service. And then you want to go back in and do the inspection service OK as well too. So then OK, OK, and then inspection service is reset. All right, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful.